Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix John Carpenter's toxic Commando not launching or not starting on PC. First, verify the game files. Open Steam, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the scan is complete, launch the game. If the game still won't launch, restart Steam. Completely exit Steam and open it again. You can also restart your computer once and then try launching the game again. Next, try running the game from the installation folder. Right-click the game in Steam, select Manage, browse Local Files, open the folder, and run the game.exe file. You can also right-click the exe file, go to Properties, Compatibility, and enable Run this program as administrator. You may also try Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Another important step is to allow the game through antivirus and firewall. Open Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, manage ransomware protection, and add the game exe file to the allowed apps list. Also allow the game through Windows Defender Firewall. You can also try Launch Options in Steam. Right-click the game, select Properties, and in Launch Options type -DX11. If that doesn't work, try -DX12. Next, update your graphics driver. Go to the NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver for your graphics card, install it, and restart your computer. Also make sure the game is running on the dedicated GPU. Open graphics settings in Windows, add the game exe file, and set the GPU preference to high performance. You can also try disabling overlays like Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, or NVIDIA Overlay, and close any overclocking software such as MSI Afterburner. Finally, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Go to Windows Update, install all pending updates, and restart your PC. If nothing works, you can reinstall the game to a different drive. One of these solutions should help fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.